So now I got my slime. So I'm going to make it right now. So I wanted to tell you, I'm going to do it right now.
And you're gonna mix in this bowl?
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely yes.
So here we go. Okay, here we go. Let's read the instructions. So first you're gonna measure out 100 milliliters of warm water. And then you're gonna pour it into the paper or plastic
I'm
cup.
already putting in.
Okay, well let's look where you are. So she's using Fizzy Gloop solution. So for that you need, pay attention Sienna, you need 40 milliliters. So
Okay.
let's see where the 40 is. It's to there. Pour it to the 40 and then we'll move on. Keep going. Okay, we'll come back when we're a little bit further than this.